Welcome to our fun bug adventure. Today, we'll explore 3 amazing insects, each with 7 cool facts that make them truly special. Let's dive in and see what makes them so awesome. Assassin bug. 1. Long rostrum for piercing prey. 2. Deadly to other insects. 3. Incomplete metamorphosis. 4. Hemiptera family member. 5. Excellent hunter. 6. Uses stealth to attack. 7. Recognizable by narrow body. Water strider. 1. Walks on water surface. 2. Uses surface tension skillfully. 3. From Hemiptera order. 4. Incomplete metamorphosis. 5. Long legs stay above water. 6. Quick and agile skater. 7. Feeds on insects in water. Flea. 1. Tiny, wingless, and jumpy. 2. Complete metamorphosis. 3. Strong hind legs for jumping. 4. Ectoparasite of animals. 5. Sucks blood for survival. 6. Lives in fur and bedding. 7. Causes itch and irritation. Thanks for joining our bug adventure. We hope you had fun discovering these incredible insects. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome bug facts. See you next time.